Flaxseed face mask for beautiful skin. This mask is great for vegans, and for those allergic to eggs. Why? Because flaxseed is a well-known egg substitute, which is used for cooking, and for skincare too. You have probably heard how good flaxseed is, how rich it is in various nutrients, including vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids. And while it certainly helps your skin from within, you can also use it externally, as a face mask. The benefits. When you mix ground flaxseed with water, it becomes a gluey-like substance that tones the skin and tightens the pores. It removes all the dirt from the skin, exfoliates, and moisturizes it. Flaxseed reduces the excess sebum and makes the skin firm and toned. It can be used to treat and prevent acne, and to slow down the skin aging process by dealing with wrinkles and fine lines. How to make a flaxseed face mask. Please keep in mind, the most important thing about flaxseed: always use ground flaxseed or flaxseed meal to get the most benefits out of this wonderful product. Never use whole flaxseed, since it's just ineffective. Whole seeds won't allow their nutrients to get absorbed by your skin because of their tough outer layer. Okay, let's get back to the mask. Take 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed and soak it in 3 teaspoons of water for 15 minutes. If you have whole seeds, just use a spice or coffee grinder to make a powder out of them. This way is actually even better, since you'll get fresh powder, rich in nutrients, and ready to deliver them to your skin. Okay, once your soaked flaxseed has become sticky, it's ready. Take a small amount with your clean fingers and apply to your face, avoiding mouth and eyes. Once you've finished, let it sit there until it dries up. After around 10 minutes, rinse your face off with lukewarm water, or use a wet towel to remove the mask. Pat your face dry, and use your moisturizer to avoid the excessive skin dryness. Notes: if you have plenty of the mixture left after your application, you can store it in the fridge for 3-4 days. You can also use it on other areas of your body, such as neck and hands, to soften the skin. Apply the mask with care to avoid staining the things around. Normally the mask won't drip though.